Hello, I am your friend Avinash. Today is 1st March 2023. Today's topic is today's topic is data types in Java. Data types uses. Data types is data types are used to specify different characters and values. Data types are used to specify different values that can be stored in variables. There are mainly two types of data types: primitive data types and non-primitive data types. Non-primitive data types is also called reference data type. Primitive data type is again classified into Boolean and numericals. Numerical is again then further classified into characters and integral. Character includes char data type. Integral is again classified into two types: integer and floating point value. Byte short, int long comes under integers that are used to store whole number. Floating point again classified into two types. Floating point value again classified into two types: float and double. Float and double are used to store decimal values. Now, first one is primitive data type. There are in total primitive data types are the basic building blocks to manipulate for data manipulation. There are total 8 basic data types, which are first one is Boolean, second one byte, third one short, fourth one int, fifth one long, sixth one float, seventh one double and char. Now I will discuss one by one. First one is Boolean. Boolean data type is used to store only two values, that is true and false. The Boolean data type is used to store two values, only true and false. The default value of Boolean data type is false, and its default size is 0. Now another data type is byte data type. Byte data type is used to store whole number. The size, the default value of byte data type is 0, and the memory required for byte data type is 1 byte. 1 byte is equal to 8 bit. The generalized formula to calculate a range is 2 raised to n, where n is nothing but the bits. Here range of byte data type is 2 raised to minus 8 range of data type byte data type is 2 raised to minus 8 to 2 raised to plus 8 minus 1, that is minus 128 to plus 127, including 0. Byte data type is used instead of int data types in order to save memory space. byte data type takes less memory space, but it stores less range values. Now another one is byte short data type. In short data type, the default size is 0. The default value of byte data type is 0, and it's and the range, the memory required for byte short data type is 2 byte, that is n is equal to 16 bit. So the range of short data type is equal to 2 raised to minus 16 to the 2 raised to plus 16 minus 1, that is minus 37,768 to the plus 37,767. Byte data type is also short data type is also used instead of integer in case of large arrays where memory space is required. After that, short int. The third one is int. Fourth one is int data type. Int data type is used as a default data type if memory space is not space doesn't matter. The range the memory required for int data type is 4 byte, that is 4 into 8 48 32 bits. The range is 2 raised to minus 32 to 2 raised to plus 32 minus 1. Integer. After that, int byte short byte short, int, and long. Last one is the long data type. It is used when we need more value, when we need range of variables is greater than the range of the integers. Okay. Now last one is byte short, int, long. Byte short, int, long, and char. This is also primitive data type. Char is used to store single characters, single alphabet, single characters, including uppercase letters from capital A to Z and lowercase letter from A to Z, and also numbers from 0 to 9 and special symbols. The variable value need to store need to store in a single quote in order to store it into char data type. These are the primitive data types, and another second type of this data type is non-primitive data type, or also called non-primitive data type. It includes int, long. It includes arrays, string, class, object, etc. Thank you.